We'll guide you through how to create a Replit code app. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Replit website by typing replit.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. You can do this by clicking the Sign Up or Log In button at the top right corner of the page. After you're logged in, look for the Create button, usually located near the top left of the dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select a template. Replit offers a variety of templates depending on the language or framework you want to use, such as Python, JavaScript, or Node.js. Choose the appropriate template for your project. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken to the coding environment where you can start writing your code. On the left side, you'll see a file navigator where you can add new files or folders to organize your project. In the middle, there's the main editor where you'll write your code. To run your app, look for the Run button, usually located at the top center of the editor or sometimes on the sidebar. Clicking this will execute your code, and you can view the output in the console below the editor. If you're creating a web app, Replit provides a live preview feature, so you can see changes in real time as you code. Remember to save your work frequently by clicking on the Save button or by using the Ctrl+S shortcut. You can share your project by clicking on the Share button and copying the link to send to others. This is great for collaboration or getting feedback. With Replit's cloud-based platform, you can access your projects from anywhere, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.